Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our English Practice podcast. I'm Jessica.
And I'm Eric. We're happy you're here today.
Today's topic is hobbies. We will practice talking about hobbies in simple English.
Yes, hobbies are things you like to do in your free time. For example, reading, cooking, playing sports, or listening to music.
This episode is great for beginner English learners, so relax and listen.
And if you enjoy learning English with us, please like the video and subscribe to the channel.
All right, let's start with a short conversation. First, just listen.
Hey, Jessica, what do you like to do in your free time?
I like reading books and walking in the park. Those are my hobbies.
Nice. My hobbies are cooking and listening to music.
That sounds fun.
Yes, cooking helps me relax.
Understanding the conversation.
Great. Now let's talk about the key phrase, free time.
Free time means time when you are not working or studying.
For example, my free time is in the evening.
Or, in my free time, I watch movies.
Good job if you understood that. Key phrase number 1, my hobby is.
A very useful sentence is, my hobby is.
For example, my hobby is reading.
My hobby is playing guitar.
Or even something simple, like my hobby is watching YouTube.
That's a great example.
Practice together.
Now it's your turn. Repeat after me. My hobby is reading.
Nice. Let's try another one. My hobby is cooking.
Excellent. Listen again. Conversation.
Let's listen to the conversation one more time. Hey, Jessica, what do you like to do in your free time?
I like reading books and walking in the park. Those are my hobbies.
Nice. My hobbies are cooking and listening to music.
That sounds fun.
Yes, cooking helps me relax.
More vocabulary. Phrase 2. I like.
Another very common phrase is I like.
You can say, I like reading. I like drawing. I like playing soccer.
This is a simple and natural way to talk about hobbies. Real-life example. For example, in the evening, I like listening to music.
Here is my example. On the weekend, I like walking in the park.
That's relaxing.
Yes, it is.
Mini conversation practice. Let's practice a short conversation. First, listen. Jessica, what is your hobby?
My hobby is painting.
Oh, nice. I like painting too.
Really? When do you paint?
I paint on the weekend.
Discuss.
Did you hear the question? What is your hobby?
That is a great question to ask someone. You can also ask, what do you like to do?
Yes, both questions are very common.
Practice speaking.
Let's practice together. Repeat after me. What is your hobby?
Great. Now repeat, my hobby is drawing.
Nice pronunciation.
Talking about multiple hobbies.
Sometimes we have more than one hobby.
Then we can say, my hobbies are.
For example, my hobbies are reading and cooking.
My hobbies are playing soccer and watching movies.
Very natural English. Jessica, what hobby helps you relax?
Good question. I like listening to calm music.
Nice. Music is a great hobby.
What about you?
I enjoy cooking simple meals.
What do you cook?
My quick meal is eggs and toast.
That sounds delicious.
Let's review today's key phrases.
Phrase 1. In my free time. Example. In my free time, I read books.
Phrase 2. My hobby is. For example, my hobby is drawing.
Phrase 3. I like. Example. I like playing basketball.
Good job today, everyone.
Yes, speaking practice helps a lot.
Before we finish, let's listen to the conversation one last time. Hey, Jessica, what do you like to do in your free time?
I like reading books and walking in the park. Those are my hobbies.
Nice. My hobbies are cooking and listening to music.
That sounds fun.
Yes, cooking helps me relax.
Great work today, everyone.
Today we learned how to talk about hobbies in English.
Remember these sentences. My hobby is. I like. in my free time.
Try using these sentences today. Practice with a friend or even speak to yourself.
And don't worry about mistakes. Mistakes help you learn.
Exactly. You're doing great.
Talking about weekend hobbies. Eric, what do you like to do on the weekend?
On the weekend, I like playing soccer with my friends.
That sounds fun. Do you play every weekend?
Not every weekend, but I play often.
Nice. On the weekend, I like watching movies.
What kind of movies do you like?
I like comedy movies. They make me laugh.
That's great. Watching movies is a relaxing hobby. Practice. Let's practice together. Repeat after me. On the weekend, I like watching movies.
Good job. Hobbies after work or school. Eric, what do you like to do after work?
After work, I like listening to music.
What kind of music do you like?
I like pop music.
Nice. After work, I like taking a walk.
Walking is a great hobby. It is simple and healthy.
Yes, and it helps me relax.
Vocabulary. The phrase after work means the time when your job is finished.
For example, after work, I drink tea. After work, I watch TV.
Learning new hobbies. Jessica, do you want to learn a new hobby?
Yes, I do.
What hobby do you want to try?
I want to learn photography.
That's interesting.
Yes, I want to take pictures of nature.
That sounds beautiful.
What about you?
I want to learn how to play the guitar.
Practice. Repeat this sentence. I want to learn a new hobby.
Nice work. Talking about favorite hobbies. Jessica, what is your favorite hobby?
My favorite hobby is reading.
Why do you like reading?
Because books are interesting.
That's true. Books can teach us many things.
What is your favorite hobby?
My favorite hobby is cooking.
What do you like to cook?
I like cooking simple pasta.
Easy hobby chat. Eric, do you have many hobbies?
Yes, I do.
What are they?
I like cooking, listening to music, and watching sports.
Nice hobbies.
Thank you. What about you?
I like reading, walking, and drawing.
Drawing is creative.
Yes, it is fun.
Speaking practice section. Let's practice some useful sentences. Repeat after us. Sentence 1. My hobby is reading.
Great. Sentence 2. I like listening to music.
Excellent.
Sentence 3. In my free time, I watch movies.
Very good. Community question.
Now we have a question for you.
Tell us in the comments, what is your favorite hobby?
For example, you can write, my hobby is reading, or I like playing soccer.
We love reading your comments. Thanks for listening and practicing English with us.
See you in the next episode.
Keep practicing.
Bye, everyone.